Everyday toxins can slowly damage your kidneys, but most people don't even know it's happening. But here's the real shocker. You don't need expensive supplements or extreme diets to protect your kidneys. You just need to change one simple habit. Our kidneys are extraordinary organs, quietly working behind the scenes to keep us healthy and balanced. Every day, they filter around 50 gallons of blood, removing waste, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. Despite their crucial role, we often overlook the impact of our daily habits on kidney health. Everyday toxins, from processed foods to environmental pollutants, can place an unnecessary burden on these vital organs, increasing the risk of kidney damage over time. Protecting your kidneys isn't just about avoiding serious health problems down the road. It's about feeling your best every day. In this video, we're going to explore practical ways to shield your kidneys from common toxins and ensure they stay strong and efficient. To understand how to protect your kidneys, we first need to recognize where everyday toxins come from. The food we eat, the air we breathe, and the products we use can all introduce harmful substances into our bodies. Many of these toxins are processed and excreted by the kidneys. For instance, processed foods often contain high levels of sodium, artificial additives, and preservatives, all of which can stress the kidneys. Similarly, environmental toxins like pesticides, heavy metals, and even the chemicals in household cleaners can contribute to a toxic load. Medications, especially over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen and acetaminophen, can also harm the kidneys when used excessively or without proper hydration. Let's start with diet, one of the most significant factors affecting kidney health. A diet high in processed foods and low in fresh produce can lead to the buildup of toxins in the body. Excessive sodium intake, common in fast foods and packaged snacks, forces the kidneys to work harder to maintain fluid balance. Over time, this strain can contribute to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. To counteract this, opt for a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods like berries, apples, spinach, and garlic are particularly beneficial because they're rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals. Hydration plays a pivotal role in kidney health. Water is essential for flushing out toxins and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Unfortunately, many people don't drink enough water throughout the day. A simple rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, but your needs may vary based on activity level and climate. Pay attention to your urine's color. Pale yellow typically indicates adequate hydration, while darker shades suggest you may need to drink more water. However, it's also important not to overhydrate, as excessive water intake can dilute essential electrolytes and strain the kidneys. Reducing exposure to environmental toxins is another critical step. While we can't completely avoid pollutants, we can take measures to minimize our exposure. Choose organic produce whenever possible to reduce pesticide intake. If organic options aren't available, thoroughly washing fruits and vegetables can help remove surface residues. At home, opt for natural or eco-friendly cleaning products to limit exposure to harsh chemicals. Proper ventilation when using cleaning agents or paints can also make a significant difference. For those living in areas with high air pollution, investing in an air purifier can help reduce the number of airborne toxins entering your system. Medication use is another area where we can make kidney-conscious choices. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, are commonly used to manage pain and inflammation, but frequent or prolonged use can damage the kidneys. If you rely on these medications, consider discussing alternative pain management strategies with your healthcare provider. Additionally, be cautious with herbal supplements. While marketed as natural, some herbs can be toxic to the kidneys, especially when taken in high doses or in combination with other medications. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Managing chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension is vital for kidney protection. High blood sugar and high blood pressure are the leading causes of kidney disease worldwide. If you have diabetes, keeping your blood sugar levels within a healthy range is crucial to preventing damage to the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. Similarly, if you have high blood pressure, working with your healthcare provider to manage it through medication, diet, and lifestyle changes can significantly reduce your risk of kidney problems. Regular checkups and blood tests can help monitor kidney function and catch any issues early. Physical activity is another powerful tool for maintaining kidney health. Regular exercise helps control weight, reduce blood pressure, and improve circulation, all of which support kidney function. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Even simple activities like gardening or yoga can have profound benefits. However, it's important to stay hydrated during exercise, especially in hot weather, to avoid putting additional strain on your kidneys. Stress management also plays a surprisingly important role in kidney health. Chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure and unhealthy coping mechanisms like overeating or excessive alcohol consumption, all of which can harm the kidneys. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can help reduce stress levels. Making time for hobbies, connecting with loved ones, and ensuring you get enough sleep are other ways to protect your mental and physical health. Speaking of alcohol, moderation is key. While an occasional drink is unlikely to harm your kidneys, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration and high blood pressure, both of which increase the risk of kidney damage. The same goes for smoking, which not only damages blood vessels, but also increases the risk of kidney disease. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidneys. Regular health screenings are essential for early detection of kidney issues. Many people with kidney problems don't experience symptoms until significant damage has occurred. Routine blood tests and urine tests can reveal early signs of kidney dysfunction, such as elevated creatinine levels or protein in the urine. If caught early, many kidney issues can be managed or even reversed through lifestyle changes and medical intervention. Finally, staying informed and proactive is one of the best ways to protect your kidneys. Knowledge about kidney health empowers you to make better choices every day. For example, understanding the impact of certain foods or medications on your kidneys allows you to take preventive measures. Keep in mind that your kidneys work tirelessly for you, and small changes can make a big difference in their long-term health. In conclusion, your kidneys are invaluable to your overall health, and protecting them from everyday toxins is easier than you might think. By adopting a kidney-friendly diet, staying hydrated, minimizing exposure to harmful substances, and managing chronic conditions, you can significantly reduce the strain on these vital organs. Regular exercise, stress management, and health screenings further enhance your ability to safeguard your kidneys. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is an investment in your future well-being. Start making these simple changes today, and your kidneys will thank you for years to come.